Hello, and thank you for your interest in this year's FLC programs. This video will walk you through the submission process, including logging in, resetting your password, creating an account, and submitting. Please note that while this video will use the 2021 FLC National Awards as an example, the process will be similar for whichever program you are submitting to. If you do not already have an account, please click on the Click Here to Start a New Nomination link. Then scroll down to the Create a New Account section and fill in the required information. You may then click Register to create your account. If you already have an account, you may log in using your email address and your password. If you forget your password, please click the Lost Password link and follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you're logged in, you may click the Click Here to Start a New Nomination link, or scroll to the bottom of the page and click here to submit your nomination link to start a nomination. On the first page, you'll be asked to review and confirm, and if necessary, update your contact information. This information has been pre-filled from the profile you created when you first created an account. You will also be asked if you're an official nominator, in other words, an FLC laboratory representative or an FLC agency representative. If you choose No, you'll be asked to provide the name and the email of the FLC laboratory or agency representative who will be approving the submission of the nomination. Once you fill in the information, you may click Save and Next to go to the next page of the nomination form. On this page, you'll be asked some general information about the laboratory or laboratories being nominated. You will also be asked to choose what you are nominating them for. For the purposes of this video, I will choose the Excellence in Technology Transfer. Depending on your selection, you may see a different set of questions in the following pages. Please review the eligibility requirements and the submission guidelines, and then confirm that you have read the guidelines, and also choose if the nomination will be submitted for the FLC Technology Focus Award. If you choose Yes, you will be asked to fill in a short narrative. Once you complete the required information, please click Save and Next to go to the next page. This page itself will ask some questions about the Excellence in Technology Transfer. For example, you'll be asked to write a brief abstract about the nomination, provide the approximate dates for when the transfer began and was completed, and also include several submission narratives about different criteria. Once you have completed all of the required information, as well as verified the following pieces of information, you may click Save and Next to go to the next page. This is the supporting documentation page, where you may upload a maximum of 4 photos as supporting documentation. Please note that all of these photos are optional, but if you do choose to upload a photo, you will be asked to include a caption for that photo as well. Upload up to 4 photos and captions, and then click Save and Next to go to the nominee information page. On this page, please include the salutation, first name, last name, job title, lab, address, phone number, and email address for at least one nominee. You may choose to include this information for additional nominees. If you would like to add more than 5 nominees, please click Yes. This will give you an additional 5 nominees that you may include. Or you may click No. Please note that if you change any fields, that this will clear the data that already has been provided. For instance, if you already filled in nominees 6 through 10, and then you click No, this will delete that data. Once you include as many nominees as you would like, please click Save and Next. On this page, you'll be asked to upload photos of the nominees as either individual headshots or group photos for inclusion in the FLC Awards publication in case this nomination is selected as a winner. For any photos you upload, you are also requested to include the name or names of the people in the photos in the caption. You must select one photo, but you can also choose to add up to 5 or even more by clicking the Yes underneath Add More. If you do not want to add more than 5 photos, please choose No. Once you have completed all the required information, please click Save and Submit to FLC to submit the nomination. You may click Save to save the nomination as a draft and to come back to it to complete it at a later time. Thank you for your interest in this year's FLC programs, and best of luck with your submission.